Hello and welcome. You are watching the first of two short introductory videos to the Ulster Settlers Database. The goal of these videos is to help you navigate our website and get the most out of your visit. In our first video, we introduce our data model. In the second video, we provide practical information on how to navigate the Ulster Settlers website. Our Ulster Settlers data is expressed, stored and linked according to a simple data model. The data model is based on 4 main entities and 2 minor entities. Given this is a biographical database, the first main entity is people. The second main entity is event. Data on people is captured and expressed as events. In other words, people's lives are understood as a series of distinct life events, beginning with birth and ending with their death. The third main entity type is called organization. There are 2 types of organizations. First, an institutional organization such as a town corporation. Second, a geographical organization such as a townland, parish, barony or county. People can be linked directly to organizations or via events. The fourth main entity type is resource. A resource is simply the name of the source from which the data in the database is derived. There are 2 minor entities in our database model. The first is called temporal. Temporal is simply a date. Specific dates, date ranges and circuit dates make up temporal entities. And as seen in the model visualization currently on screen, temporals can only be linked to events in the database. A spatial is a geographical location. In other words, any location on a map. As you can see from the model visualization, spatials can be linked to events and organizations within the database. Our 4 main entities, people, events, organizations, and sources, along with our two minor entities, temporals and spatials, are interconnected within the database through relations. A relation defines or describes the relationship between entities. There are many different relation or relation types. The model visualization on screen depicts a sample of relation types used to connect different entities within the database. When they are combined with entities, relations are expressed as a simple sentence. It has a subject, predicate, object structure. A relation connects, for example, a person called John Doe who was born in an organization called Scotland. In the database, the relation between John Doe and Scotland is expressed by the relation type was native of. Every relation type also expresses an inverse relationship. For example, when viewed from the perspective of the organization called Scotland, the relation reads, an organization entity called Scotland had native called John Doe, who is a person entity. Our final screenshot shows an example of how our model combines different entities and relations to form a single biographical entry within this Ulster Settlers database. In the second video, we will look at how this typical biographical entry works and how you can make the most from the information it contains.